Here is one more linear inequality solved for y. Now, just like before, let's pretend first that it is an equation. So let's imagine that it says y is equal to 2x. And this, of course, is in slope-intercept form. Since there is no constant value back at the back, that means the y-intercept will be 0, 0. It's just like we have a plus 0 at the back. So the y-intercept is 0, 0. Again, the coefficient is 2, so the slope will be 2 for our line. So this time we're going through 0, 0, and then we'll go up 2 over 1 for another point. I'll see a y-intercept here at 0. I'll go up 2 and over 1 to get my second point. And here goes our line just like that. Now, when we think, though, of changing it to an inequality, it's maybe going to be a little bit tougher. When it's an inequality, the first thing to notice, I've got a strictly greater than here. Since it's strictly greater than, should the line be included? No, we're going to need to make a dotted line. Now, the second trick here that is something we'll have to deal with, I can't use 0, 0 this time, because if you remember, our line goes through the point 0, 0. So I can't use it as my test point. I'll have to pick somebody else. Now, you could pick any point that the line misses. I'm going to choose to use the point 0, 1. I think you'll see why once we look at the picture. If we take 0, 1 and we put it in, 1 goes in for the y value, 0 goes in for the x value. 2 times 0, of course, would be 0. So now I've got 1 greater than 0. And this is part of why I wanted to use the point 0, 1. Since 1 is greater than 0 is true, that means we're going to shade where 0, 1 would be. Let's look at our picture. Here is where 0, 1 is. So the part that's true is up here. That's the part that's going to get shaded. So now let's change it from being y equals 2x to what our actual problem was, which was y is greater than 2x. Remember, this is the area to shade, and it's going to change to being a dotted line since the line itself won't be included. Let's see if that's true. It is. A dotted line goes with a strictly greater than or a strictly less than. When we cannot use 0, 0, just pick somebody else that the line missed to substitute in. If it's true, you shade that side. If it's false, shade the opposite side.